welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I am in like the most casual hoodie. I'm in my husband's hoodie, as a matter of fact, because it was cold and rainy and gross here in the mid-Atlantic, and I don't like to be cold. So yeah, we're in the hubby's hoodie, got my hair pulled back, super casual day, and I am here because I have made it, what is this, 28 months now, or as Amanda says, 2 years and 4 months of my no-buy, and I'm excited. I'm excited about that. It means I've saved a lot of money from buying a lot of things, and I'm getting some space back in my vanity area, in my bathroom, my linen closet. I actually have some linens in there now, which is awesome, and I'm feeling good about this. I really think if I can stay away from ColourPop, then I can make it the 3 years that I want to do, and I think I can do it. ColourPop is very tempting, and as Erin says, it is a gateway company or gateway drug kind of speak, and she's right. She is right. I just did a collab with Amanda and Nona because Amanda had sent me this honey palette. Ooh, it is gorgeous. I love the formula. I like the pigmentation, the price point. Oh my God, you can't beat that. That is tempting, but I don't think it's tempting enough to actually break my no-buy. So that is always a positive. Yeah, I'm trying to keep myself distracted. I'm playing Hay Day with my girls, and you know, trying not to think about the fact that all the holiday sales are getting ready to come up, and that's usually when it gets me, when like Black Friday, Cyber Monday comes out. Your girl likes her sales. I like to get a bargain, and that's usually the time of year when I have the hardest time with the things, and then all the holiday stuff comes out. But I think I'm going to be okay, because I did say when I started into this 3rd year that I was going to allow gifts this year, and you know, to put stuff on my wish list. So and I was gifted this, so you know, I don't feel bad, because if I was buying stuff for myself, I would go crazy. I probably would, because I still have that desire to want to buy, and I don't think it's ever going to go away. I like all the pretty things. I do. I like all the pretty things, but I also don't like the anxiety. I don't like the clutter, and yeah, I'm looking around and I still have way too much. It's crazy. It is crazy, this struggle that we go through in our heads all the time. Like, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? And this girl should not buy. I should not buy. I will replace things. I haven't had to replace anything since my last update, though I do need to buy some more pore strips, you know, because I like to keep my skin congestion free, so to speak. So I do need to buy those, but I don't have to go get them tomorrow or anything. You know, if it's a week or 2, even 3, I can live. I miss having a peel, but I'm going to try and go as long as I can, and then when I can't stand my skin anymore, then I'm going to go replace that. But yeah, right now I feel good. I feel really good about everything. I don't feel like I want to buy. I am finding things that I want to put on my wish list, though. ColourPop is a big culprit right there. And I don't know how to explain it. And anyone that has been on a no-buy for any length of time, because there's a bazillion people on a no-buy this year, and they can all tell you, I mean, we're in October, and a lot of people started in January. In January, February, March, it was hard. April got a little bit easier, May a little bit easier. By the time you get to this point, you will still have temptations, but I think overall it just gets easier. To me, it's kind of like dieting. Getting started, getting that ball rolling is the hardest part. But then once you get into the swing of it, you start to change your mindset, and you change your habits. It just gets easier. And I think that's why I can fairly confidently say I'm going to make it to year 3. I don't know what I will do after that. I mean, I know I still have more than a half a year. I mean, I do. I have, what, 8 months to go? And I still think I'm going to do it. And a lot of people have been telling me that they're surprised, or I think my girl, and you know who I'm talking about, she said I was insane, or not I was insane, but this no-buy is insane. And I don't really see it that way. I see it as sane, completely sane, that it is making me sane to not buy things all the time, because that's usually my anxiety that makes me want to buy, and then buying gives me that anxiety. So this is my sanity, if that makes any sense to you guys, to not be buying all the time because of my anxiety, and to pare down what I already have because I have too much and that causes me anxiety. This is like my therapy to make me feel better and to make me feel sane. I don't know how else to explain it. My eyes are watering. But I don't know, that's what I do. I don't even know what to say at this point, because I feel like I've said it all. But if you guys have any questions about my no buy, I'm an open book as far as that's concerned. So feel free to ask me any questions. But yeah, it's going to keep going. It is going to keep going. I might have some replacements next month. There are just a couple of things that, and it's mostly like skincare stuff that I do need to replace, but I'm keeping it minimal. And you guys know that with my replacements, I've been trying to find more economic options, and you know, I want to keep the money under control. I want to keep the space and everything else under control. It's just less. I want less of everything. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions for me, and yes, I know I need to do my nails. I just took my polish off, but I got to film, and it's been an insane couple of weeks. It is what it is. But yeah, ask me any questions that you want about the snow buy. If there's anything that you guys want me to touch on next month, or you know, just address in the comments, I'm happy to do that. And yeah, I think that is about it. Do you guys want to know what I am putting on my wish list for Christmas? I don't know if that's something you guys are even interested in, what's like catching my eye. I don't want to trigger anyone. I really don't. But, you know, I am going to put some stuff on my wish list. And it's not going to be all eyeshadow, I can promise you that, because there's some other things. There are. But, you know, eyeshadow's my crack. And I know a lot of people feel that way. So if you want to know what I'm putting on my wish list, I'd be happy to share that with you. If not, then, you know, that's cool too. I don't know what you guys want to know as far as this no buy, because I'm just going to keep chugging along. And do you guys want to keep, do you want to keep watching monthly updates from me? Do you want to know what's tempting me? Because right now, ColourPop is the only thing. I really want those colored eyeliners. Has anyone else tried those colored eyeliners from ColourPop? I think they have like a set, and it's got like all the different colored eyeliners. Has anyone tried those? Because those look really awesome, and I've been debating whether or not I want to put that on my wish list. So if you guys have tried those eyeliners from ColourPop, like the really colorful ones, like the yellows, the greens, the pinks, the reds, that all that kind of stuff, if you've tried it, let me know what you think, whether I should put it on my wish list or not. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up. I don't need to keep rambling on. You got any questions, just stick them down there. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.